to Trenchless Talks. Today, we're talking about a critical challenge for any construction project: dewatering. Managing groundwater is essential to creating a stable work zone, and horizontal wells offer some significant advantages over vertical systems. Traditionally, dewatering is done with a series of vertical well points. These operate by creating individual cones of depression around each well. A dense network of wells, each spaced just a few feet apart, is required to achieve coverage and effectively lower the water table. This can be a labor-intensive and surface-heavy process, often interfering with other construction activities on site and requiring more above-ground infrastructure. This is where horizontal wells truly shine for dewatering. Instead of a series of individual points, a single horizontal well can contain hundreds of feet of screen, acting as a continuous drain for the target area. This approach is far more effective, allowing you to remove more water in less time with a single installation. Another major benefit is that horizontal wells have a significantly smaller ground footprint. Surface level piping can be positioned away from active work zones, resulting in no obstruction to construction operations. This means dewatering can continue as your crews work directly above, which can be crucial for staying on schedule. Choosing a horizontal dewatering solution means opting for a system that provides superior performance, reduced long-term costs, and minimizes disruption to your project. It's about bringing a smarter, more effective solution to the site. Thanks for joining Trenchless Talks.